Let's talk about castor oil, a substance that's been quietly shaping history for thousands of years. While it might seem like just another bottle on the pharmacy shelf, castor oil has a story that stretches back to ancient civilizations, where it was prized for its remarkable properties and mysterious origins. From the dusty apothecaries of old to the modern labs of today, this oil has been a constant companion in the world of natural remedies and industrial innovation. It all starts with Ricinus communis, a striking plant that produces what we call castor beans, though, fun fact, they're actually seeds, not beans. The plant itself is instantly recognizable, with its bold, jagged leaves and clusters of spiky pods that look almost otherworldly. True beans are legumes, castor seeds are not, making their name a botanical mix-up that stuck. This confusion has persisted for centuries, but it hasn't stopped people from harnessing the power hidden inside these seeds. The castor plant, native to Africa, now thrives worldwide, with India leading global production. You'll find it growing wild in tropical regions, cultivated in vast fields, and even popping up in unexpected places, thanks to its hardy nature and adaptability. Its large, star-shaped leaves and spiky pods look almost alien, protecting seeds that are both valuable and dangerous. Each pod is a natural fortress, shielding the seeds from predators and the elements, while also warning us of the potent compounds within. The oil extracted from these seeds is thick, pale yellow, and moves with a slow, syrupy flow, unlike any other vegetable oil. Its unique consistency has made it a favorite for everything from ancient lamps to modern cosmetics, and even as a crucial ingredient in industrial lubricants. This unique texture is key to its many uses, from soothing ailments to lubricating engines. Castor oil has been used as a healing balm, a purgative, a moisturizer, and a mechanical lubricant. Its versatility is truly unmatched in the plant world. Castor oil's story is as complex as the oil itself, a misunderstood seed yielding one of nature's most versatile products. Its journey from seed to oil is filled with careful steps, ancient traditions, and modern science, all working together to unlock its full potential. So, before we dive into how it's made or its surprising history, remember, this is not a bean, but it's packed with both potential and peril. The same seed that can heal can also harm, reminding us of the delicate balance between nature's gifts and its dangers. Sometimes, the most powerful things come in small, unassuming packages. The castor seed may be tiny, but its impact on medicine, industry, and even culture is enormous. The castor seed is a dangerously beautiful capsule of possibility. Its glossy, mottled surface hides a world of chemistry and history, waiting to be explored. Humanity has learned to unlock its secrets with care and ingenuity. From ancient healers to modern scientists, people have found ways to harness its benefits while respecting its risks, and that's just the beginning of its remarkable journey. As we continue, we'll uncover how this humble, misunderstood seed has shaped civilizations, powered industries, and earned its place as one of nature's most fascinating gifts. How does a spiky, almost alien-looking pod growing quietly in the fields become the familiar castor oil you find in your home? The journey from plant to bottle is a fascinating blend of nature, tradition, and modern science. Castor oil's story begins long before it reaches your bathroom shelf. It starts with the castor plant, whose pods are harvested at just the right moment to ensure the seeds inside are mature and full of oil. First, farmers carefully harvest the pods and lay them out to dry under the sun. As they dry, the pods naturally split open, releasing the precious seeds inside. This drying process can take several days and is crucial for maximizing oil yield. Once dried, workers shell the seeds by hand, a labor-intensive but essential step that requires skill and patience. Each seed is separated from the tough outer shell, preparing it for the next stage. Next comes extraction. For oils destined for health and beauty, cold pressing is used. This gentle method preserves the oil's natural nutrients and beneficial compounds, making it ideal for personal care. For industrial applications, heat extraction is preferred. This process uses higher temperatures to extract more oil quickly, though it changes the oil's chemistry and is less suitable for direct skin or hair use. Cold pressing preserves the oil's natural golden color and its unique fatty acids, which are prized for their moisturizing and healing properties. In contrast, heat extraction is more efficient and produces larger quantities, but the high temperatures can break down some of the oil's beneficial elements. After pressing, the oil is carefully filtered and purified to remove any remaining plant material or impurities, ensuring a clean, high-quality product. The leftover seed mash, known as castor cake, is hazardous because it contains ricin. a toxic compound that must be handled with care and disposed of safely. Throughout the process, strict safety measures are followed to separate the valuable oil from the dangerous parts of the seed, protecting both workers and consumers. Each step, from sun-drying to careful filtering, transforms a risky raw material into a safe, versatile product that can be used in everything from cosmetics to lubricants. It's a kind of industrial alchemy, turning peril into potential and harnessing nature's power for everyday life. The result is a stable, versatile oil, bottled and labeled for countless uses, from soothing skin to powering machinery. At every stage, safety and precision are paramount, ensuring that each bottle meets strict quality standards before it ever reaches the store. That's how castor oil makes its remarkable journey from the field to your shelf, transformed by human ingenuity and care into a product you can trust. Here's where the story takes a dramatic turn. Ricin, hidden inside these innocent-looking castor seeds, is a substance so toxic, it's been the subject of spy novels and real-life intrigue. Ricin is infamous for its deadly potential, and even a tiny amount can be fatal if ingested or injected. Castor seeds contain ricin, one of nature's deadliest toxins. Just a few grains can be lethal. It's so potent that it's classified as a biological weapon in some countries, and strict regulations surround its handling and disposal. So how is castor oil safe? Chemistry saves the day. Through careful scientific processes, we're able to separate the dangerous from the beneficial, transforming a hazardous seed into a healing oil. Ricin is water-soluble, while castor oil is a fat. This fundamental difference in chemistry is the key to safety. When the oil is extracted, it naturally separates from the ricin, which stays behind in the water-based portion. During extraction, the oil separates from the water-based ricin, which stays in the leftover mash. This process ensures that the oil you use is free from the deadly toxin, as long as it's properly refined. Gentle heating during processing denatures any trace ricin, making the oil safe. This step is crucial. Without it, even a small contamination could be dangerous. The heat breaks down the ricin protein, rendering it harmless. The toxic mash is treated before disposal or use as fertilizer. Specialized facilities ensure that no ricin escapes into the environment, protecting both people and wildlife from accidental exposure. The real star of castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid making up nearly 90% of the oil. This unique compound is what gives castor oil its signature thickness and powerful properties. Ricinoleic acid gives castor oil its thickness, stability, and powerful moisturizing properties. It's prized for its ability to soothe dry skin, nourish hair, and even support wound healing. So, while ricin is the villain, ricinoleic acid is the hero. The same plant that can be deadly also provides one of nature's most versatile remedies, thanks to the wonders of chemistry and careful processing. The process is a careful dance. Discard the danger, keep the benefits. Every step, from extraction to purification, is designed to maximize safety and preserve the oil's unique qualities. That's why castor oil is both safe and uniquely effective. It's trusted by generations for everything from beauty routines to home remedies, all thanks to the science behind its production. It's a triumph of chemistry over toxicity. By understanding and respecting the science, we turn a dangerous seed into a source of wellness and healing. And it's why castor oil remains a trusted natural remedy, celebrated for its safety, effectiveness, and the fascinating science that makes it possible. Castor oil's legacy stretches back to ancient Egypt and India. Egyptians prized it for lamp fuel and medicine, even placing seeds in tombs for the afterlife. The Ebers Papyrus details its use as a balm and remedy for eye irritations. In India, castor oil, Irandatila, became a cornerstone of Ayurveda, valued for cleansing and healing. It was used as a potent laxative and for treating inflammation and joint pain. Both cultures recognized its versatility long before modern science. Whether lighting temples or soothing ailments, castor oil was a trusted ally. Its ancient uses laid the foundation for its enduring reputation. For generations, castor oil was the ultimate home remedy, especially for constipation. A spoonful meant a powerful, often dreaded laxative effect. Ricinoleic acid irritates the gut, triggering strong contractions and rapid results. The taste was infamous, leading to creative but usually futile attempts to mask it. Castor oil became a cultural touchstone, a rite of passage in many households. Though gentler options have replaced it, castor oil is still used medically for bowel prep. Its reputation as a forceful cure lingers on. That single spoonful symbolizes an era of tough natural remedies. Castor oil's history isn't all healing. There's a dark chapter in 20th century Italy. Under Mussolini, fascist squads used forced castor oil doses to punish and humiliate political opponents. Victims endured violent diarrhea and public shame, a tool of terror rather than medicine. The castor oil cure became a symbol of oppression and cruelty. This misuse left a lasting scar on Italy's memory and cast a shadow over the oil's reputation. It's a stark reminder, even helpful tools can be twisted for harm. Castor oil's story is both luminous and dark. Its legacy is shaped by both healing and human cruelty. Today, castor oil is a beauty staple, prized for skin and hair care. Its high ricinoleic acid content draws in moisture and locks it in, making it a super moisturizer. It softens dry skin, soothes chapped lips, and nourishes cuticles. In hair care, it coats strands, reduces breakage, and adds shine. While claims about rapid hair growth are unproven, its benefits for scalp and hair health are real. Many dilute it with lighter oils for easier application. From deep conditioning masks to brow treatments, castor oil is a modern beauty essential. It's proof that old remedies can find new glamour. Nature's simplicity remains powerfully effective. Beyond beauty and medicine, castor oil is an industrial powerhouse. Its stable viscosity makes it an ideal lubricant for engines, especially in aviation and racing. It clings to metal, protecting machinery under extreme conditions. Castor oil is also a key ingredient in making polyurethanes, plastics, and hydraulic fluids. It's found in foams, coatings, adhesives, and even paints and inks. As a renewable plant-based resource, it replaces petroleum in countless products. Its versatility keeps it in demand across industries. From cushions to car seats, castor oil is everywhere. It's the unsung hero behind the scenes of modern manufacturing. The humble seed powers far more than meets the eye. Castor oil's story is one of transformation and resilience. From ancient Egypt to modern industry, it's bridged eras and cultures. The journey from toxic seed to healing oil is a testament to human ingenuity. Castor oil has lit lamps, healed bodies, powered engines, and beautified generations. Its adaptability is its secret, always finding new roles. Today, as we seek sustainable solutions, castor oil's relevance grows. It's a renewable resource for a greener future. Rediscovered by wellness and beauty communities, its ancient wisdom endures. Castor oil is a classic, loved, feared, and always evolving. Its legacy proves that nature's most peculiar gifts can shape the world.